Los Angeles Rams and the New Orleans Saints are ready to do battle at the Mercedes-Benz Superdome in New Orleans for NFL Week 9 action. Fox has the TV rights to the game, and the kickoff will take place at 4:25 p.m. Eastern Time. In what has the potential to be an NFC playoff preview, New Orleans has been tabbed as the favorite, and the team's currently giving up just 1 point. The Rams are receiving -105 on the moneyline odds, while the Saints are at -115. The linesmakers have placed the over-under on the game at 60 points, but the game's total was originally placed at 59, with early sharp action swaying the total toward the over. The Los Angeles Rams have gone 8-0 straight up in 2018. The team is 4-3-1 against the spread and 3-5 on the over-under. When these two teams met a year ago, Los Angeles won by a pair of field goals, 26-20. The Rams are looking to stay unbeaten following a 29-27 victory over the Green Bay Packers last week, where Jared Goff completed just 19 of 35 passes for 295 yards and 3 touchdowns. Todd Gurley II, with 114 yards on 25 rush attempts, led the ground attack, but he also had 6 receptions for 81 yards and 1 touchdown through the air. Robert Woods, who had 5 catches for 70 yards, also helped with the receiving duties in the win. The New Orleans Saints have gone 6-1 straight up in 2018. The team is 5-2 against the spread and 3-4 on the over-under. The Saints are coming off of a 30-20 win over Minnesota last week. Drew Brees completed 18 of 23 passes for 120 yards, 1 touchdown, with 1 interception. Alvin Kamara carved up the opposing defense in the win. In addition to 45 yards on 13 rush attempts with 1 touchdown, Kamara also reeled in 7 catches for 31 yards and an additional score. We're thinking that the Saints will control the tempo in this home game by feeding their running backs, but Michael Thomas, who already has 600 receiving yards and 3 receiving touchdowns this season, should add significant yardage as well. Between Kamara and Mark Ingram, we think the Saints can take this win at home and should turn out to be an over-the-total offensive shootout. For more information and statistics on this event and every other sporting event this week, check out bangthebook.com. Bang the Book is your best resource for sports betting information before you make your weekly assault on the sports books.